Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these Spolumbo chicken apple sausages. As you can see, they are preservative free. And here's the back, okay. If you look here, it's chicken apple. You guys don't want to read the ingredients. It's basically just chicken, apple. It has apple juice and basically water, salt, spices, and natural pork casing. And there's the nutrient panel. We're gonna cook them up and do a quick taste test. Be right back. So here's the sausage all done. May have overcooked it a bit, but we're gonna do a quick taste test. I put it in the air fryer for 15 minutes. I think that was a little bit too long. Alright, so here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you, that casing is really thick. It's not bad, but it's pretty good. The flavor of the sausage is good. It has a lot of juice, I guess. It could also be oil, so I don't know. And it has a lot of flavor though. So like spices and things like that, you can totally taste the flavor in it. So, but definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.